Okay, I'm going to do example one. So I'm going to do this example one. Let me bring it down here. This example one right here. So I'll create a similar table to this. We're going to do fun with numbers. I'm going to show you how to do this example one. Well, oops, I'm not on the recording. Let's go back. We're going to go here into the Google here, this is my Chrome, Google Chrome. I'm going to select this box right here, and I'm going to pick Sheets. And I'll start off with a blank sheet here. So I'm going to select this blank. I need to call it something 5-1 example 1. So up here I'll title it right up here. I'll call it 5-1. Oh, let's try that again. 5-1 examples. I'll just call it examples. Whoops. Examples. I'm going to put example 1 here. I'm going to start off by typing fun with numbers here. Over here, I'm going to put number. I'm going to put number as a currency here. Number with 4 decimals. I've decided over here, I'm going to put number as a percent. Whoops, wrong place. I just hit escape to get out of it. So here I'll put number as a percent. And at the end here, I'll put a number in scientific notation. So I just type it. Now it doesn't look anything like that example here. So well, it does. Look, we got the title here. We don't have the box. I'll show you how to do that. We don't have the shading. We don't have it lined up correctly. So let's go back and show you how to do all that, how to do everything. So I'm going to start off by wrapping the text. I'm going to select all these that I had here. Okay. And I'm going to wrap text. I'm going to select all those and I'm going to go to Format. Okay, over here, text wrapping. I'm going to wrap the text on all those. It already adjusts the size. See, number in here. Now I know this one was a little bit smaller, so I'm just make that a little bit bigger. See, all I did was I adjusted this. So I noticed 3 lines. So if I pick this and I move the arrows, see the double arrows, I can make it bigger. And now I have that. Now this here, I'm going to merge these cells. So I'm going to go to Format. I'm going to merge the cells. I'm just merge all. Now I've noticed that this right here is centered. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to center the title. Okay, let's see how close I am. Let's go back to the document. So I got fun with numbers and I've got all this. Looks so far so good. Just a few adjustments. Okay, now this I believe is bolded because it looked darker. And I'm going to type the numbers here. So I'm going to type 2. So I type 2 there. Okay, on this one here, I type 34 and you can arrow down. You don't have to click and then 12.45. So I type these numbers. Now it's the same numbers everywhere. So I'm going to highlight these 3. So while I click on the first one and I go down and I let go of the mouse button, I've got them all highlighted. Okay, now I'll show you a couple ways to do this. Now I can just copy this. I can right click, copy. This is one way to do it. And then I can paste. And then, there's the 3 number. I can paste again. No, I can paste again. And I can paste again. Okay, that's the slowest way. Let's undo this. I'll show you a faster way. Undo, 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 undo. Okay, I'm going to copy this. So I'm going to click here, hold the mouse button, come down there so it's all highlighted. I'm going to right click and copy. I'm going to highlight the top row like this. See, I just clicked here and highlight the top row and I paste. Okay, that's the second fastest way to do it. There is a faster way. Okay, so I'll undo that. Here we go. I'll highlight all this and see this little box here. After I highlight, this little box appears. I just drag it this way. This is the fastest way. Bam! You got all the numbers here in the different columns. Again, I'll show the fastest way again. So there's 3 different ways. Whoops. I refreshed instead of undid. Okay, so I hit the refresh. I meant to hit the undo button. which is okay. I'll just undo here. Oh, it's thinking some more. We'll undo again. Hopefully I didn't undo. Now, if you undo too many times, you can always redo. May not let me do the undo because I hit the refresh button. Looks like it won't. So I'll just delete it. I'll show you how to do that. I highlight it all and I hit the delete key to delete everything. Now, so I'll highlight these ones. I'll go to that little box. Okay, bam, and I got them all done. Now, this is just the number. Perfect. Number as a currency. Okay, so I'll highlight all that. I'll go to the dollar sign. And bam, $2, 34, 12.45. Number with 4 decimal places. I highlight it all. Over here, 1 decimal place. Click again, 2 decimal place. Click this here again, this little arrow, 3 decimal place. Click again, 4 decimal place. Here, number as a percent. Highlight it all, hit the percent key. It gives me 2 decimal places, 234. Number is scientific notation. Highlight it all. Okay, there's no scientific notation in here. You got to go to the arrow. You find scientific notation. You click on it. See scientific, and it puts it as scientific notation. So let's go take a look here. Okay, so we've got all this filled in. What we don't have is the shading, and we don't have the borders. So let me show you how to do that next. Let's start off with the borders. Okay, we'll go here. Oh, there. See, over here is the shading, fill color, and over here is the borders. So if I click that, and I click that, okay, I got all the borders. Let's take a look. Let's go take a look over at our thing. But look, this outside border and this one here is thicker. So let's see how we can do that. So this outside, the outside one is thicker. So let's go see if there's any more options here. This pencil. Okay, theme, border style. We can do outside here, but let's see here. We can pick a thicker line. Pick that one. Let's just do the outside. Wow, that outside's thicker. Let's click on this one. Let's also see what other options are here. The outside here. Okay, now I made the outside borders thicker. Now all we have to do is shade. So we're going to come in here, color, shade all this in. Okay, so we're going to go here, click on that, pick one of these shades. I don't know how dark. Maybe I'll pick that one, shade it in, and now I finished that box. Does it look the same? Let's take a look. Let's flip over. That's pretty close, so I think we've got it. So that's how I did example 1.